How to add age guidelines to your Roblox game. The first thing that we need to do is load up the Roblox website, then click on create here at the top. Now from this screen that loads, we will go into creations, which is the second option, and find the game for which we want to add age guidelines. I'll do this with the test game 2 that I've created. Just click on the game itself, and from the left hand side we'll scroll down until we find questionnaire. So right here under audience you should have questionnaire. Just click on questionnaire and it's going to look like this: questionnaire not started. If we scroll down you will see the start button, so just click on start, and here you will need to read these questions and answer them. So does this experience contain violence or violent content? If we say yes, it's going to ask us another. So how strong is the level of the violence? We will do mild. So how frequent is the occurrence? Occasional. And I'm going to click on save and continue. Now, does it contain blood? No. Save and continue. Does this experience depict, reference, or encourage crude humor? If we say yes. What bodily functions are used? So on and so forth. I'll just do moderate. Save. Does it experience romantic themes? Yes. Save and continue. Gambling says no. Reference include no. And I'll just do no here again. Paid random items, no. Allow users to trade items they paid, no. And once you submit all of the here information, then we'll click on submit, and this will make your experience ages 17 and plus and cannot be removed. Now if you answer no to all of these questions, it will be available to everybody to play. But basically, like I said, so age recommendation here, click on submit, yes, make my experience, and that's how you add a age guideline to your Roblox game. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.